Good afternoon, Teacher Bronwyn here. Today we will be doing a science experiment called a foam cloud. All the supplies that you need is shaving cream, food colouring and a glass of water. I have 2 glasses of water just to show you the difference between the 2 colours. First we will start off by spraying, taking our shaving cream and putting it in our glass. Make sure your glasses are full of foam. Then you take your food colouring and you pour it into the glass on top of the foam. Let's watch what happens. Do you see the food colouring coming through the glass? The food colouring is going through the shaving cream, which is acting as our clouds. So as soon as the clouds get too heavy, the food colouring comes through. Let us try with the colour blue. As you can see, the blue food colouring is going right through the shaving cream and pouring straight into the glass. Let's see what happens when we mix the colour blue and yellow together. There you can see the colours mixing at the top. Let's watch the blue food colouring come through the bottom of the foam. Do you see it coming through the bottom of the foam? I do. How cool is that? It looks like little raindrops. So that's all we have prepared for our science experiment today. Try yours out today and enjoy.